The mission of the James Dyson Foundation is all about inspiring the next generation of inventors, engineers, and problem solvers. The James Dyson Foundation STEAM Week is a new initiative where we've sent out our new challenge card boxes to over 100 schools around the southwest of England.
Science plays a big part of our curriculum. It came with all the things that we were going to need in order to deliver the lesson to the children.
The activity base and the resources that were provided were really engaging. There was lots of team building and lots of work on supporting each other.
Finding out what was working, what wasn't working, how can I change it, things that they wouldn't experience if it wasn't for the cards.
They learned that they needed to iterate and fail and try different things. And it's a really good way to get into engineering and be inspired because it's so practical. It was amazing to see how they all worked together and were able to learn really quickly and problem solve as a group.
The power of a STEAM week is vital for our children of today because we're educating them for jobs that they don't know exist yet. To be able to give them that hands-on experience was really wonderful to see.
The children have absolutely loved taking part, and you can see just from that short burst of activity how they're going to take their learning home to extend it even further.
Giving them that ability to develop their own learning skills and their own learning styles is just fantastic.
Working through all these challenges really helps develop that experiential learning that we're looking for.
Check out the James Dyson Foundation website. They've got all of the free resources, and then the kids can get involved and have some fun.